Hey my dudes, it's Caitlin, and today we are going to be doing a little bit different of a video style than usual. Today I'm going to be writing on a whiteboard to give you guys a complete college packing list because I didn't just want to talk to you, and you can pause the video and write your own list at any time. Here are today's topics, and while I'm writing these down, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to join the Caitlyn Films family. And with all of that being said, let's just get into the video. So today's topics are bedding, bath and toiletries, storage, electronics, eating, cleaning, decor, school supplies, and then miscellaneous. So the first thing to think about with bedding is that you will have a twin XL mattress if you're in a dorm. So if you're in a dorm, make sure you get everything twin XL, including your mattress topper. And if you're in an apartment, don't worry about the twin XL thing. You'll need a comforter, sheets, a really comfortable mattress topper because trust me, your bed is going to be so uncomfortable if you're in a dorm. And then pillows and pillowcases. And then you can have a throw blanket if you want. I usually sleep on top of the comforter, so a throw blanket is sort of essential. Next, we're moving on to bath and toiletries. This is a long list, so get ready. So if you're in a communal shower, you'll want flip-flops and a shower caddy. I didn't have these, but they're good for if you have a community-style bathroom in a dorm. And if you're in an apartment, you don't have to worry about this at all. Then you'll need towels. You'll need a body towel, a face towel, and washcloths. You'll need also a loofah, a bathrobe, shampoo and conditioner, body wash, lotion, toothbrush, and toothpaste. And all of this is sort of optional. It really depends on what you guys want to buy. So don't worry if I list something that you don't need to buy. I'm trying to be as inclusive as possible with these lists. Deodorant, face wash, Q-tips, and cotton balls, hair care, razors to shave, nail clippers and a nail file if you want a nail file, nail polish and remover. That's really fun to have if you have people over and you want to have like a girls' night, if you're a girl. Tweezers, feminine products, makeup and makeup remover. And then you'll need a hairbrush and medications. Don't forget your medications. On a lot of the packing lists I saw online, they never really included medications. It's a given, but you might as well just write it down so you don't forget your medications at home. Next, we're going to move on to electronics. Some electronics are in other categories as well. This is just like straight up electronics that didn't fit into other categories. So you'll need a power strip, and I'd have a couple of these, one for your desk and one for by your bed, an extension cord or two, a lamp, and I had a little clip-on bed lamp from IKEA as well, your laptop and phone with their chargers, a printer, which is definitely optional. My campus had printers everywhere, so I didn't need one. TV if you want. I didn't have one. Fan is really, really important because there is no AC usually. Earbuds and an extra pair, a speaker, and a portable charger. I have a portable charger on campus, so my phone is never dead. And then an aromatherapy diffuser, which I had, and I promise you, you will not regret having an aromatherapy diffuser at college on your desk when you're studying. It is 10 out of 10 amazing. Next, we'll be moving on to storage, and for you guys, I will have a 20% off discount link to the Container Store in the description. If you want to use that, you can sign up for 20% off at the Container Store and get all your storage stuff. So I recommend having a bed tray. It's sort of like a nightstand for your bed that like clips on. A shoe rack, I recommend hanging for your closet instead of one that goes on the floor, but that's totally up to you. A laundry hamper for your laundry needs, or a laundry basket, a couple storage bins, your size, your choice, a drawer organizer, a storage ottoman that doubles as something to get onto your bed and also something to store stuff in, under bed storage. For small drawer thingy, I have a little drawer thingy from IKEA that I highly recommend. If you've seen my dorm room tour, you've seen it. A pencil cup, desk organizers, and then hangers as well. And yeah, the small drawer thingy is really important. I will try to add a picture of it so you guys know what I'm talking about. Next, we're gonna talk about cleaning supplies, which is also very important. All of this is important, let's be real. So you will need dish soap and a dish scrubber or a sponge if you are planning on having any dishes that aren't paper. Clorox wipes for literally everything, laundry detergent, or people like to use Tide Pods in college. I don't, because they can like stick to your clothes and stuff, but if you like Tide Pods, use them. Mini vacuum. I don't know how to spell vacuum, so please excuse that if that is spelled wrong. I am embarrassed if it is, but dorms usually do have vacuums anyway, so you probably don't need that. It's just up to you. Poopery if you want your bathroom to smell super nice after a deuce. And then toilet bowl cleaner and hand soap and stain treater for your clothes. Next, we're moving on to eating. So this will be all eating related stuff. So sort of dorm or kitchen stuff for your dorm. So the first thing is going to be a mini fridge, which is a must. Microwave is nice for cup ramen if you're into that. Keurig, which I had and I loved it, 10 out of 10. An electric kettle was really useful, but it's really optional. We had gross water and we used to like boil our water and it would taste a lot better, so that's a suggestion. A few forks, spoons, and knives. Plates and bowls. People like to use paper, but I recommend reusable. Just buy a couple. Coffee mugs, Ziploc bags, water bottles, like disposable or reusable, paper towel, and if you want some Tupperware, get some Tupperware for your leftovers. You can steal some food from the caf and use your Tupperware to store it. We used to sneak food out of the caf in our backpacks, so you could do that if you want to. Next is Decor, which is super, super fun. I'm just going to give you guys recommendations for this because it's totally up to you. So the first thing is carpet or an area rug, and our campus will install carpet in your dorm, so that's why I wrote carpet, but usually people buy area rugs. A full-length mirror, a makeup mirror, a wire grid for above your desk to hang things, map or a poster. I had a map poster and it was really cute. Fairy lights are the best decision you'll ever make. Pictures, throw pillows, a chair throw, and then plants, of course. Who doesn't want to have plants in their dorm room or their apartment? Plants just make the space so much brighter and so much better. Now we're going to move on to miscellaneous, which is a lot of stuff that is still important, and then we'll move on to school supplies, which is one of my favorite categories. So one of those lap table things, I'll put a picture in it. That would be really useful if you have a dorm room and you want to sit in your bed. Command strips are essential. A mini steamer if you plan on going to formal things or you're going to be in a sorority or fraternity. Cold or allergy medication, please pack this. I didn't and I got sick so many times. Kleenex, umbrella, external hard drive or USB, batteries, a health insurance card, a wallet, your wallet, your backpack, art supplies, books, and memory box. I really recommend a memory box, and I always have one, and the one from my freshman year is completely full, and I highly, highly recommend it. Sorry if I'm rambling. Now we're moving on to school supplies, which, like I said, is one of my favorite categories, and not a lot of people know what is recommended for college for school supplies. So I recommend binders, as many as you'd like, notebooks, pencils and pens, highlighters, index cards, whiteout, a 3-hole punch. I'm obsessed with 3-hole punches, so I really recommend one. Printer paper, just for anything that you need to write down. It's always good to have printer paper. A planner is a must for organization and keeping yourself on task. Tape, a stapler, scissors, sticky notes, a calculator. You should have a really good calculator for college, but that's totally up to you. And then you can get one of those to-do list pads if you want to, but that's up to you too. So with all of that being said, this video is over, and I really appreciate you guys watching so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week in another video. Peace out, guys.